Leadership changes has been made at Activision Blizzard as the company enters 2024 as its first year under the helm of Microsoft following the $69 billion acquisition. The most publicized change was the departure of CEO and employee of 33 years, Bobby Kotick. Kotick's time at the helm has been shadowed by various controversies, and his departure met with a jubilant outpouring on the social media. This includes a story shared by a Call of Duty programmer who claims Kotick once threatened to have employee killed. I mean, there are other ways to motivate employees to work, but he chose violence. Do that work or I'll take your soul out of your body.